Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing and install on my car. This is a hitch rack for electric bicycles. Why electric bicycle need different hitch rack? We'll talk about this as well. First, it's not a regular one. It does have a lift, so it will help you to lift your bicycle on the rack. Because many people buy the electric bicycles, they think it's cool, but when they start to lift it, its usual weight about 60 to 80 pounds on average. Any fat tire bikes usually above 60 pounds. So this one is a Hyperax vault lift. It is like a heavy duty actually rack. This is the reason I picked this one. Is they give you free wheelie dolly with this one currently. I'm not sure if it will continue this way, but this one is a wheelie dolly. Without this cherry on top, you will not be able to carry around this heavy rack because its weight. Let me get closer so we'll see how much it weighs actually. So the gross weight is 103 pounds, but the net weight 85.5, made in Taiwan, which is great, and it can carry up to 2 electric bicycle, 160 pounds total or 80 pounds per bicycle, and it's a RV hitch platform e-bike rack with a ramp, but I'm gonna install it on my car. So you would simply attach this dolly right over here, and then you would insert this pin and secure it from another side, and that's it. And now you can bring this one up. It's still heavy, but you can lift and carry it. And here's why they call it a vault lift. So basically you pull out this, you push it out and then pull it out actually, and pull out, it will drop here. So it will help you to lift your bicycle. Let me show you how. So you just bring all the way up like this. Make sure it's aligned on the tram. The pedals just move back a little bit, and let's see if I can move with this one up, like this. So push it down, and over here the ramp, just push it until it's closed completely. Once it's closed, you cannot move up and down, and now the bicycle will stay there. You have different harness to attach the wheel over here, the front, and they give you some few more security, like to attach it. Also they give you a lock, and this piece, the hook, can be also locked on the side, so nobody can remove the bicycle as well. And this is a vault lift, and you remove the same way. You basically open up like this, pull it, and then remove the hook. Let's see if it will work. Like this, and just push over here to lift it up, and just move the bicycle down. Alright, so it works. And if you're not using it, you just bring it all up, close it, and you can also lower down this piece by dropping. Let's see, you remove the pin and it will drop right here, and then you can insert the pin so it will be locked in, so it will not be go up and down anywhere. You just need to wiggle a little bit, and that's it. You can also raise it up if you want to, but you need to unscrew one of the bolts, and that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.